Alright, well, we had to go get some of these little clips that go inside this molding and then pop inside these holes. You know, you can't reuse them, so you have to go buy new ones. So we got to go and get those put in. Then we'll get this back door on. Alright, what you do is just make sure the hinges are in the closed position down there, because that's the spring-loaded one, and that's the top one. Put the door and latch it, and then you can go ahead and lift the front of the door up and get your bolts in place. And then just a matter of snugging everything up. Alright, that took all of like 10 minutes. You just got to make sure you lift the hinge up to where this seal, okay, it's pretty tight, because that's the weather seal. That's where you're going to get all your wind noise. But you know, the door gap is all good there. I mean, the door opens and closes perfect. Actually, what I may want to do is I may twist this door in at the bottom just a tad to pull that in just a little bit. Let me do that real quick. Alright, that's better. Door's flush with the quarter panel now. See, now this is all jammed. All we'll have to do is back tape from here and then go ahead and shoot it. Let me get the front door on. Alright, there's the inside of the door and the B-pillar. That's how close we got her to match. And okay, that's pretty close. Pretty close. And I bought the cheap paint to do the door jambs, just single stage. That way I wouldn't have to worry about clearing it. Then what I do is I'm going to paint everything from this line. This is going to be painted. I'm going to take this off right up in here. And I'm going to paint this whole side of the car, front bumper, and I may go ahead and do the back bumper. It's got some scratches and stuff in it. I may go ahead and scuff it, seal it, and do the back bumper. And then I'll clear the whole side of the car. And then we'll go from there. Let me get this other door on. Alright, I'm going to put this other door on, see if I can't break my neck. You know, the front door is always heavier than the back door. The door is latched. Bigger bolt. So we're not going to worry about the wiring right now. We'll worry about getting this door positioned. And then we'll do the wiring later. tape wrapped around my pry bar so as I don't gouge up paint I already put on. That's good and tight. It's good and smooth. Shuts real good. That's it. Snug the bolts up. That's 2 doors. You see how long it took me to do that one. There's the gap. I mean, that's no effort. Okay? No effort. Now it's just a matter of getting the fender taped and lined up and put on. And then we'll get the wiring run. And then we'll have to see if I can pull this piece of weather strip down. I'm sure it's just stuck on there really good because I don't want to. Well, I take that back. There is a hard line right there. I can tape to that big piece of plastic right there, and then we can get paint down in there. Yeah, because that goes all the way around. Just gonna have to be jam a piece of Scotch-Brite down in there and scuff it up, because if you don't, the paint will flake off. Well, alrighty. I got the fender up in the house, and then we'll see about getting that nasty mess fixed. Alright, that wiped right off. I'm going to take that stone guard piece off of there so I can shoot that dog leg. That way I don't have to tape around it. And then we're moving right along, folks. Moving right along.